welcome to this video on monitoring in AEP. This is Sunil Kumar Sahu from Adobe Consulting Enterprise Architecture team. Enterprise architects with Adobe Consulting are technical leaders on our customer engagements. And we work across the Adobe stack with most of our large enterprise customers. In this video, we will see a demo on how to use monitoring dashboard, data ingestion monitoring, segment activation monitoring, and data flow monitoring. Let's go through the demo. In the AEP, click on the monitoring tab. Once you come to the monitoring tab, you will get three tabs. First one is dashboard, second one is batch end-to-end, and third one is stream. For this one, we will see first dashboard, which is source. In this, you will get all the source name. In left hand side, you see all the source name which are present over here. Then we get different columns over here, like record received, ingested, and we'll also get total failed data flows. However, we are having three radio buttons. One is source, another one is data flow. Source will give you the source detail. If I click on the data flow, it will give you the data flow details. And it will also, there is a toggle buttons which says show failure only. If I click on that, then it will give only the failure records. Okay, now coming back to the source, here all the sources are listed. Now for this demo, I'm going to local file upload. So I clicked on the funnel button, and then I reach here wherein it gives me details of the data flow. Again, it gives me the data flow name, and it also gives me the record received, how many record got ingested, and then it says also that 15 record got failed for this particular data flow. If I click on the funnel button, again I'll go one level down. So the moment I click on the funnel button, I reach one level down. Here again I'm getting the details of the data flow when it got started. If I click the funnel button again, I'll reach to the last point wherein it says that how many record got ingested, how many record got failed, and what is the reason for failure. If you see the 15 record got failed, it says that there was some mandatory field which is not part of the source file ingestion. So that's the reason 15 record got failed. Okay, so this information we are getting once we click and come to the final part. Here I can click on the clear all to go back, or I can click the X button, which is to go back one level up. So the moment I'll click the cross button, I'll go one level up. This completes the source part, wherein we have seen how to check the source part. And now going above, there is a calendar wherein you can select you want 24 hours of detail, 7 days of detail, or 30 days of detail. This covers entire source part, which is having, we have seen that how many data got ingested and how many got failed, this information. Now going to the identities tab again. In the identity tab again, we will see the same one for which the record received was 985 for this file upload one. Again, similar functionality, it got record ingested 985. Okay, and other details also got populated in the column section, different column section. Here again, if I'll go and click on the funnel button, I'll go one level down. So I'll go and click on the funnel button to get more details. Again, if I click the funnel button, I'll reach till the end and I'll get more information over here. If you see in the screen, it took 12 minutes to process it. I'm clicking funnel button again, and then I reach to the final portion wherein it will give detail on the data flow. Again, I can click on clear all to go back to the identities tab, okay, from where we have started. Now coming to the third tab, which is profile. In the profile tab, again, it will give the similar kind of information wherein you get how many records got received, how many got failed, and how many participated in the profile creation. So it is shown that 985 profile fragment, and total profile fragment was 985 corresponding to this. Now again, I am clicking on the funnel button, and the moment I'll click it again, I'll get more detail. I'll go one level down. So now I clicked again to reach till the end. Here you can see the details like 985 fragments got part of the profile fragment, and I can click on the clear all to go back to the profile section. Now clicking on the audience part. In this audience part, there are two radio button, audiences and segment job. Audience tell about all the segment and their corresponding details. So in this screen, you see in the left hand side there are audiences corresponding to that. It gives that when the last evaluation happened and how many profiles are part of that particular segment. So this detail you will get it from the audience. If I click on the radio button corresponding to segmentation job, you will see that when the segmentation job started. So this segmentation job, it started around the time it is mentioned and took 10 minutes. Now coming to the export part, wherein again I am getting the detail when the job got started, and the processing time for this one is 7 minutes. So this detail we'll get as part of audience tab. Now I'm coming to the final one, which is destination. In this destination, again in the left hand side, I'll get all the destination name which is configured as part of AEP. So for this demo, we will see Amazon S3. So Amazon S3 is the destination we'll see for this demo. The moment I'll click on the funnel button again, I'll get one level down and get more details. So I click the funnel button. I came one level down wherein I get the information of the data flow. 327 record got received and activated. If I click the funnel button again, it gives me information of the segment. It is part of the this segment, and 327 audience got activated. Again, I click on the funnel button. So here I am having three radio button. One is with failed record, no failed record for this one, so it is empty. The second one is excluded. Again, there is no exclusion, so it is empty. The third one is activation record. I see that 327 got activated, and this for this activation, the status is success. So which cover the destination part. I click the clear all to go back to the screen from where we have started. I can click the cross button as well. So I clicking the cross button, I came back to the destination from which we have started. Thank you. We would love to hear from you, and you can reach us at acs-ea@adobe.com with feedback or suggestion. Thank you.